Today I will show you how to fix the cannot connect to the server error. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, let's check if our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. The cause of this problem mostly has to do with internet connection, so we're going to troubleshoot for that. Now we want to go to settings. Once we're in settings, we're going to go to system. In system, we're going to go to system software update. We're going to ensure that our system is up to date. Now we're going to go back and we're going to shut down the PS5 console, restart it, and have the game reconnect again. Once restarted, we're going to head to settings. We're going to go to settings and we're going to go to the network. Then to settings, we're going to toggle our connection on and off. Then we go to set up internet connection. Now we're going to press the option button and we're going to go to advanced settings. Here we're going to make sure that our settings are as it should be, and we're going to ensure DNS settings is automatic. Now when we check our connect to internet, is supposed to connect to the internet, and it says connected. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.